Yep. It smells terrible. That's rubbish. And nothing is coming out. And the fuel is on this level, so stupid. Oh, disappointing. Something is inside. Let me think. What can I use to get it out? Good. That's no good. It's a fucking problem. Normally I don't do this, but I know this one is wrecked. Really fucked up. This is not the way to do it, but fuck it. Something is horrible wrong here. I have a gas heater at the moment burning, so I turn it off. I'm a little bit afraid of the petrol fumes. There's an open fire behind me. I don't like that. Terrible, terrible wrong. My goal is to dry out the petrol tank inside. Then when it is dry, I do a lot of bolts, nuts inside the fuel tank and shake it for a while. And I will do that when it is warm outside, not today. Look inside. Yeah. I think something is used inside this tank. I think it's not rust, it's a sealant or something like that. It's rubbish. I can't use this tank at the moment and I don't see any rust inside, only this dirt, sludge, rubbish. I think this tank is used to seal or something like that. Yeah, and of course now you understand why I have closed my open fire or stopped my fire in the heater behind me, and I do not understand where the problem is in this tank. Maybe I should throw it away. Normally when the fuel tank is leaking somewhere, I will close it up with tin. So I need 2 hands now. I will stop the camera and clean up this mess. Sorry, bye bye.